to come Rhys Hoskins. Here's a swing and a long drive high in the air and deep to center field. Hoskins. Oh, and that ball's absolutely crushed down the line. Forget about it. That's going to stay fair and make it back. Swing, and he puts a charge into this one. High and deep, and you can't forget about it. He swings and crushes it. Oh, my, there is no doubt about this one, and they've done it again. The 1. Here's a shot to left field and deep. Look at this. And gone. A swing, and this one is blasted to right field. Nothing's gonna stop it. And this ball is gone.